Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to divide a single invoice into several payments using Docket. This feature is particularly useful for managing large invoices by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable installments. Log into your Docket account by visiting app.docket.com. Once you're in, navigate to the top header menu and click on Expense Management. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Accounts Payable, and then click on Invoice Queue. To split an invoice, locate the desired invoice in the queue. Click on the Amount button on the right side of the invoice row and select Split Invoice. Then select Split Invoice to multiple payments from the options presented. You'll be directed to a new window. Here, fill in the payment due date and the dollar amount for each installment. It's important to ensure the invoice total, settlement amount, and difference are accurate for a precise split. After entering the details, click Continue. A confirmation pop-up will appear. After a few seconds, refresh the invoice queue. You'll notice that the invoice is now split into multiple entries, each with different payment due dates as per your specification. And that's how you can easily manage large invoices by splitting them into multiple payments in Docket. This feature allows for better financial management and aligns with your budgeting needs. For more helpful tutorials, keep watching our channel. Thank you for joining us.